Good morning, y'all. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. It's a beautiful day in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. We got fresh inventory in. It's the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle with a 350 motor, 350 automatic turbo transmission. Come with me while we do a walk around video. Check out some of the features on this car, see if it'll work in your garage. Like I said, 350 V8, got power steering, got power disc brakes, an awesome stance. This is Cortez silver paint. Got super clean body lines. I don't see any paint bubbling or any kind of imperfections there on the door. Got about an 1.5 to 2-inch drop. These are intro 17-inch wheels wrapped with directional tires. Looks great. Got an awesome muscle car stance, updated. Love the quarters, love the wheel well trim. Chrome's in excellent condition on the front and the rear. Tail light bezels also in excellent condition. We can hop on, take a look at the trunk. It's super clean. Got that nice spackling paint. I also see new weather stripping around here. Also got beautiful paint on this side. Not seeing any bubbling on the quarters or the doors on this side as well. Love the 70 Chevelle, has no posts. So you got windows all roll up and down like they should. Love the look of that all the way down though. Got nice weather stripping as well as nice fuzzies on the doors as well, all nice and tight. Love the side trim molding as well, looks great, no dents in it. Inside we got black interior. It's a bench seat up front. Looks like new carpet, has no sun fading in it whatsoever. Also got wood grain steering wheel, retro sound stereo. You can hook your phone to it. You got auxiliary gauges there, oil pressure, temperature, and volts. Love the look of this car. I think it was a nice detail with a silver carpet matching the silver paint. Love the front of this 70 Chevelle. Obviously distinctive feature being the dual set of headlights up front. 71, 72 had the single headlights. Let's take a look under the hood. Cowl induction hood, all steel. Honestly looks brand new. Got aluminum radiator right here, 4-core, really wide, lots of cooling power. Nice dress-up kit with Chevrolet orange valve covers and air cleaner. Here's your brand new power booster as well as dual reservoir master cylinder. Also see some brand new brake lines here. Still got the tag on it. Nice work by the previous owner. Down low, you got the power steering. Turn this wheel with one finger. Love to see it. Brand new battery from March 2024. Also got long tube headers and brand new dual exhaust. Gives it that awesome exhaust note that muscle cars should have. Running the hood pins with no hood latch. Let's go inside the driver's side, see what the cockpit looks like. Got awesome door panels, are in great shape. Sill plates are in beautiful condition, if not brand new. Seats look like they have new upholstery on it. Back seat looks just as good as the front. All this weather stripping looks brand new as well. All the way around, they did a nice job on it. Hope you enjoyed watching the video of our 1970 Chevelle. If this car works for you, if you want it in your garage, give me a call. This is Josh at Drive the Coast. We do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available with only 10% down, 660 credit score, up to 180 months through collector car lending. Very easy to apply. Hop online at drivethecoast.com. Thank you all so much for watching. Have an awesome day.